basis for this project is an Apache version 1 is 1.3.56 to Apache 2 2.2.8. PHP version is 5.2.5. Smarty is 2.70. Cent framework as not yet implemented partly, but that will come soon, is 1.5. The XML framework is XML, XSLT, XML RPC, REST, and SOAP. Database layer RDBMS is MySQL 4.1 as well as 5.0. Okay, we got Tomcat 6 and XSDB 1.1 as well as database for object Java version 6. This more or less runs on productivity server SUSE Linux Enterprise Server 9 if I'm not completely wrong, or 10, and development platforms are OpenSUSE 10.3, Windows XP Professional, as well as my favorite operating system, Ubuntu, which is actually Debian, and it's quite useful, and it's it's not only for the Joe users. It has quite impressive features, but I cannot go into details here because of not freaky geeky, just average YouTube viewers. Okay, Maguma Studio, since Maguma closed their doors forever, it's a pity, some sort of, and Maguma Workbench isn't further developed. I have to admit that we do not feature and support Maguma Workbench further. Okay, if you want to help us and want to develop something, Eclipse development environment, PHP PDT 1.2, 1.1 I think, and the underlying Eclipse version is Europe or Europa for the Moon, and it's 3.3. Okay, and it's mostly for now designed to run on Firefox 2 point whatever, Conqueror, yeah, and as well as Safari and the Internet Explorer 8, which is focusing a little bit more on internet standards, unlike 6 or 7. Okay, good. What can I else say? Yeah, here is okay, here is a little bit of Japanese. So this project is not, this project Metablock, sorry, is not only in German and English, it's as well in Brazilian, it's in Italian, it's the first steps here in Japanese. It will sometime occur in Chinese. All the freaky geeky languages which a minority is bound to. Therefore we can absolutely not forget those languages. Okay, yeah. Here pictures, videos, and podcasts. Podcasts still as a download, but that will fixed as soon as I can, or as we can. So we are project. Here you can see account launchpad.net, Kyeldon. I've provided some space to have a trunk to log in. I'll do that. I can show you the first beginnings of World of Kyeldon for Launchpad. Here I've got a little account with a branch, and I can or we can recommend Subversion, Git, as well as Bazaar, which is also in current versioning systems tool. Okay, I'm logging me out for this time and go back to the meta block to show you some things. Come on. Finally. Okay, well, anything? Oh yeah, this project existed since 999, and it ran most of the time on my shoulders, as I am the founder and project leader. There was a time some people who lost interest in the project and lost their hope in this project, as well as they abandoned the support for me and my little baby. So I have to get some people back again to work to contribute to this project, and I'll do what I can, which is not quite much yet because of my approach to do my A-levels as soon as I can. And sorry if I not completely speak all the sentences correct. I am not a native speaker in English. I've been to English classes since 986 up to now, and speak English all the time and watch English news media feeds and whatever stuff. But I have never ever been to an English-speaking country, so please forgive me my little back accent and my spelling mistakes and my sentences which I've some sort of swapped a little bit incorrectly. So okay, this is, or this was actually the first little introduction to, oh yes, a little pic of myself, therefore you can see, oh yeah, I should have come to home.